a bunch of packaged air conditioners that got snowed on last night. Filmed these last summer. These two Yorks. Probably film them again this summer. I don't know. Try and get a little bit of a better video. And I'm gonna make this quick because it's really cold. I don't want to get caught in here. And yeah, I need to get home as well. These are both trains. I've filmed these before, but at nighttime. And here's some regular old Yorks. These are from 2006. These are from 2000. I don't know what that thing is. I snapped a picture of these already. And then over here we have the train Voyager. Which is doing something. I'll tell you what else. A quick look at it. Don't know what exactly it's doing. But I think it's on a little ambient kit or something. I know a blower's just running. I don't know. Anyways, over and out.